Hello everyone. As we are learning HTML5, in this video, today we are going to discuss the topics cascading style sheets, background properties using CSS, setting background color, and setting the background image. What is cascading style sheets? In short, CSS. So in HTML, we include the CSS file. Now what happens when we use this CSS file? What does cascading means? So in HTML, this cascading, it determines which style we need to apply in the web page. Style can set the color, the font for the tables and paragraphs and the headings that we are using in the web page. Sheets, these are the templates which determines how the web page will look. So these CSS styles can be incorporated or can be used in the following ways. So we have the external style sheets, the embedded style sheets, and the inline sheets. What happens in external style sheets? So these external style sheets are separate documents that contains only the CSS rules. These are basically applied to many web pages in a uniform style without writing the same code again and again. It has the extension .css. Then in embedded style sheets, it is a set of style which is created as a part of the HTML document. So these can apply similar styles to different elements on the same web page, and it is created by using the style tag inside the head tag. Then we have the inline sheets. So these inline sheets are the style attributes which is applied to some specific element when it is created. So these are used to apply style to specific elements of a web page, and these style attributes are added in the HTML tags. Now let's learn about the background properties using the CSS styles. So these background properties are used to set the background styles of the various HTML elements. Now let's understand how these background properties are applied. So in the given table, we have the properties like the background color, which specifies the background color of the web page. Its values are color name or the color value. The next property is the background image, which is used to insert an image file as a background, and the value that we enter is the URL of the image. Then we have the property called as the background position. So this specifies the initial position of the background image, where it should be placed, and the values that is used are the left top, center top, right top, center left, center center, center right, X position, Y position. Then we have the background attachment. This specifies whether the background image is fixed or scrolls when the user scrolls the rest of the page, and the values that are used is either scroll or fixed. Then we have the property called as the background repeat. This specifies whether the background image is repeated or not. And the values which can be used are repeat, no repeat, repeat X, and repeat Y. Now, how to set a background color in a web page? Now, what happens when we set the background color? When we set the background color, a solid color appears as a background of the HTML file. So what happens when we use the background color property? So in the notepad window, you can see a command being written, and in the style tag, we are using the command as body background color is to yellow. So when we apply this style, you can see in the next window, the background color of the web page turns to yellow. How to set the background image? So by using the background image property, we can set the background image of a HTML document. So in the style command or in the style tag, we can use the background image property. We need to set the URL of the image. If we want to change the attachment, we can use the background attachment property. We can also use the background repeat property along with the background image property, so that an image file appears as a background of the web page. So this is how we can change we can set the image file as a background of a web page. So what did we learn in this video? We learned about the cascading style sheets. We also came to know how to use the background properties along with the CSS styles. We came to know about how to set the background color in a web page, and we also learned about how to set the background image in a web page. So thank you everyone for watching this video.